Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Das Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you're a new viewer, then you can go to my channel and watch all the videos. If you're liking it, hit the subscribe button. And for services, additional services, you can WhatsApp our team 7892652481. Yes, I just got up a bit late. I was traveling from Coorg yesterday night. I just came home late. So anyways, on Friday when this DHFL stock fell around 40 to 50%, so many of them asked me, sir, how to trade on that particular type of stocks, and it stock was falling down. Later the stock recovered up to 30%, minus 30%. So what do? It goes up and down, so we get trapped. So what to do? So in this particular video I'll show you small example how to trade on DHFL. The stock which is falling also can be bought, and the stock which is bought can also be falling. So you need to be very careful. Not that all the stocks which are falling will continue falling. After some time the stocks can again recover a bit. During that moments, up and down moments, you have to take your advantage. And also you should not put all your capital in such high volatility stocks. When the stock is moving so much percentage, you should be very careful. You should not put all your capital. In this particular example I will show you, I'll be using 10,000 capital, because if the stock goes against me 10-20 rupees, my account will wipe out. So I'm going to take risk only with 10,000 rupees in this particular stock. If it goes against me, my account will be wiped out, or else if it going towards my side, then I'll be booking my profit. So if the movement is more, I will wait, or else I will book the partial profit, how much of a percentage I'm going to get. So be careful while trading such high volatile stocks. I would suggest beginners to always observe such type of stocks, because the falling stock can recover up back. I will show you example, the stock today which is going down in the graph. During the recovery time I will try to hit the profit. That is what I'm trying to show you guys. Later when the stock goes again with super trend red, we can still consider a sell side on this particular stock. So hope you'll enjoy. See, today market is fallen already. Okay, so I just got a bit late. Market has already fallen. It's already fallen below 11,000 already. So during that time, as you know, DHFL fell very badly the other day, and it's not that it went up today. It's still in the it was a gap up, and then it starts rolling down. And now currently it's already down, and if you see, RSI is now going up a bit, and MACD is coming up a bit, and this is the super trend, which if hit, this is the resistance, biggest resistance if you see, because if you see once already this resistance, it is a too high resistance over here, the stock came down, and now again we are trying if we can take the small opportunity when Nifty is in neutral right now. When it has finished its falling, so we are just seeing that opportunity. And if it recovers little bit up, then the stock also can move it up from this level. So we have taken this particular stock. So I put a small amount of money in this particular stock, because I didn't take much of margin, because DHFL, the way it was moving other day, it moves 10-20% up and down, and all your capital will wipe out. So experiment with small 10,000 rupees with 10 times only. So we have taken at 390.05. We're just hoping if Nifty recovers a bit up to 11,000. That's the case, we will have one small advantage on this particular stock. I bought this in small lot sizes. I thought I'll put in another stock today, Tech Mahindra, but over here, but yes, it didn't have that much volume. It couldn't break its own high. So I thought first I'll put on DHFL and then put remaining on Tech Mahindra, but Tech Mahindra didn't break. So let's see if how much can DHFL can move along with the market. This is the resistance right now. Other day shorting is what we made money. Shorting over here, somewhere here is where we recognized, and Later the stock went very badly, and again there was a super trend opportunity again from here to here. It was a day, it was a very dangerous day for beginners if you are trading with cover order and stuff, if you are in the opposite direction. Minutes chart. Still there's a lot of resistance in that area. For 1 minute we have a super trend which gave at 384. Current resistance is this area 93. If it can break, it's 93. That is when this stock can go up. Nifty 1.31. I hope Nifty, if it has hit, oh no, 11016, it is at 11008 right now. At least a small super trend signal and a little bit movement upward, a little bit at least. So we have in 93. Now this will dance for few minutes. I want a permanent trend over here. It should stay, it should not come down. I mean, already we are 2% above. This is the magic of this particular stock, because the volume is so high, the movement is so much, and it is too dangerous also to put all your capital and taking more margin. So in these cases you should not take much leverage. Because if the stock goes opposite to your direction on 3-5%, all your 100% capital will be done. So that's the reason I have taken small margin, so that if it goes even 20 rupees, I'm safe. The stock will dance up and down both direction. It's just that when you book your profit. See, if in this case I've got already 5 rupees profit, and I'm observing that 3 rupees is 1% profit. The stock had gone up to 6 rupees, that was 2% profit. That's the potential of this particular stock. And yes, you don't get much margin in this particular stock. Yes, you get up to 10 times. Looks like Nifty is not pushing up currently, and this particular stock's graph is going bit down. So still we are 3 rupees above. So just observing this particular stock. So we sold this particular stock around for 1% profit. This particular stock you can keep hitting like this 1%, and that's the main idea, but you should not take a risk in this particular stock with all your margin, because all your capital will wipe out. So in this particular stock, either you can trade with up to 10%, I would say, if you're taking the risk, but you can trade with your own cash and carry, because the stock will move minimum 1% to 2%. If you see from 373, the stock has gone up to 399, so highly volatile. So it's too dangerous to put all your capital. You have to trade only with lesser amount. So I didn't take much margin in this particular stock, because this stock can go opposite any time, like the way it fell the other day, 10-20%, which will wipe out your account within seconds. So I took the risk over here. Again, if it hits the super trend over here red, I will take a risk of 1% profit and I'll escape. So that's how you can carefully trade. If you're trading with CNC, and if the market initially, if you are sold over here, you would have got the profit. But yes, For people who are doing with margin, you should be very careful with such stocks when you're trading. The moment is highly volatile. 1%, 2%, it will be like 20%, 30% of your capital. So you need to be very careful by taking the margins also. So hope you like such video. Thank you so much, and hope you're trading safe. And if you're a beginner, stay away from such stocks because you cannot predict the moment. The falling stock also can recover. If you see the other day, many would have done this mistake. The stock is falling, many would have sold here, but the stock went back again here. But there are opportunity, you can book from here to here also, right? So in such stocks which are highly volatile, just avoid if you're a beginner, because you will get trapped between this. Hope you're understanding what I'm trying to tell. Trade safe, observe the market, learn a lot. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.